बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तर्जुमा, अल्लाह के नाम से शुरू जो निहायत मेहरबान रहमत वाला है। You are watching Dil Se Baatein 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. The result of jealousy. Complete moral story in English. In a village, a farmer had 2 hens. One laid healthy and valuable eggs. The other grew jealous. She thought, I am better and will prove myself. But, out of envy, she began laying weak and spoiled eggs. Customers complained, and the farmer realized she was useless. Finally, he sold her. Thus, the jealous hen destroyed her own worth. Moral: jealousy never harms others. It destroys the jealous heart itself. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You were watching Dil Se Baatein 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. We'll meet again with another heartfelt story. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.